Pop Leo bakat sa Kyrpad na kabanta kajing suk hagasa bat Ukraine bat pedang ke India bat ke Pakistan ngakit hagadon ujanga ya kajing jenjar jong ki briu ba ide ka ha Ukraine to ai ba an le ya baro ka badon kam ban yo no kloi ya kajing suk ka basisha ka bahok bat ka bane to ai ba baro ki koi di kin lai no bat to ai ba ki kun kin lek phai biang chala ki bahayeng hastem jong ki asngeu si jur halor ka ai ka baja hagasa strip pan sange no mador ya kajing iasiat penbiang ya kilat jing rap shagiri pat ba kibala thai la swai bat palai no ya baro kinong sha da bor u pop leo bakhat saw ul pen pa ya kajing sneu komen ya kajing pembana habai dai bat kajing sangai iasiat hapadeng ke India bat ke Pakistan bat ul ong shu banga kermen balang ba kajing kren kiban sawan shen en poi sha kajing yate ke bane.
I was happy to hear on the other hand that there was a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, and I hope that through the coming negotiations we might soon come to a lasting accord. But how many other conflicts there are in the world? I entrust to the Queen of Peace this appeal, so that it might be her who presents it to the Lord Jesus to achieve the miracle of peace. And now I would like to greet all of you with affection. The Romans and pilgrims from various countries, I greet members of the British and Foreign Bible Society, the group of doctors from Granada in Spain, the faithful from Malta, Panama, Dallas in Texas, these are the other places the groups come from that he's greeting. I greet the participants in the demonstration Let Us Choose Life, and the young people from some other groups. Today in Italy and in other countries it is Mother's Day. And I send a greeting to all mothers with a prayer for all of them, and also to those who are already in heaven. Happy feast day to all mothers.